Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings. In them, you need to click on Bluetooth section over here and tap on this switcher if it's not already on. Following that, wait for available devices to show and tap on the chosen one. Now, in order to connect, you need to select pair in this pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected, but you can always disconnect them by choosing this gear icon next to chosen device and clicking on Unpair. In order to connect to the same one again, just click on it and follow all of those instructions one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!